Ooh, guess what? It's chapter 5, chapter 5, chapter 5. It's after 3 weeks. I get to show you the tomatoes. I get to show you what's happened. I get to show you what's been done. Man, I'll tell you what, they have taken off. We got some newer videos coming up. You're gonna have to check out those. Everything is a learning experience, but I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take you through the garden right now, and we're gonna look at how good our tomatoes are actually doing. All right, guys, chapter 5 of the tomatoes. Now these right here are Amy's tomatoes. These are her cherry tomatoes. They're doing phenomenal. Look how beautiful they look. You can see me come out in the sun. Now I did stick a shade cloth up. I do have a shade cloth here. And these are these wee litty bitties that you saw 3 weeks ago. And look at how well they're doing right now. Look at how healthy they look. Happy and healthy. Then we're going to come over to this side. Now these are Oxford tomatoes. This plant was just that little. I mean, it was just a baby. Look at them all come up. We're going to go over to the other side. We're going to look at the other Oxford. Now if you guys look, you'll see. Now these were planted first. Look at how beautiful they look. They're absolutely amazing. Happy, happy tomato plants. Then we'll come over here. Look at them go. Absolutely fantastic. Yes, I have installed an irrigation, drip line irrigation line to spray to water our beds. And we're going to come over here. And we're going to show you over here. Look at them. Look how beautiful they are. Look at how beautiful. These are the Romas. The Romas are doing good. Now I wanted to test this out, so what I did is I put the shade cloth over here, and I have plenty of shade cloth. I could have covered them all. And then we want to just do straight full sun right here and see how much difference it's going to make. But the shade cloth will stop from a lot of things happening. But you guys got to see, that's what it looks like now compared to before. You know, fertilizing real good. We got basil coming up here. We got our marigolds. Amy put some lavender in for them and everything. I mean, they're doing really, really good. Now we're going to come over to our squash and our zucchinis. These are our squash and our zucchinis. Look how beautiful they look. Look at all the flowers. Look at the flowers, absolutely amazing. We got all our flowers in there. We got a little, right there's a little squash right there. Look at that. Tasty vittles. You guys will kind of get an idea, get to see what's there. But look at how beautiful the leaves are. They're coming in nicely. They come over here, and these are the pepper plants. Now the pepper plants we've been having a little bit of a problem with, but I think I'm finally getting a grasp on it, which you'll see in a previous video. I'll show you how to bring them back. We have our bean plant right there. Look at our dill. Our dill is absolutely massive and fantastic. Faith. And there is Faith. There is the puppy dogs. There is the good puppy dogs. Go show off, girl. Show off. Stretch them legs out. You gonna run around and jump? You run around? You run around? That's Faith. Yes, my baby girl. Yep. That's my baby girl. Come on. Show everybody. Show everybody you can. Show them how high you can jump. Come on. Come on, show me. She is the best dog and the smartest dog ever. She's like, look, I don't know what I want to do. Just gonna do a run around. That's my girl. Yep. That's my girl. Good girl, yes. I let you lay back down on the cool ground. I don't know, she likes chewing on rocks and whatever else she can chew on. She's teething, so. All right, so we're gonna go through here. We're gonna show you our dill. Look at the dill. Oh, the smell. And then we got our late starters of the broccolis. Had a rabbit get in here. And the rabbit got, look, rabbit got ate the leaves off and everything, but I took care of that rascally rabbit. He might be going on the dinner table. Oh. And if you look right down in there, you see that? That's our first head of broccoli. Then we got another head coming in here. And in this one, I was able to catch that culprit and stop him. He chewed up the leaves, but we still got some new stuff in the making down in there. We got a potato plant, a rogue potato plant come up out of nowhere. And we got all of our beets. Amy's got her sunflowers back there. And then we got our lettuce and our spinach. Swiss chard is there. We got our cucumbers. They're coming in. They're doing slowly, but they're coming in. They're doing their job. Got a lot of blooms on them. We're going to take this one. We're going to fix this one right here. Pull it off. Put it up top. Right like this. And we got this one right here, which we want to really accentuate to go up. But yeah, and then we're doing our poor eggplants. We have tried everything. I don't know. This bed was full of lettuce, got a late start. I don't know, it's still coming up. We'll be lucky if we get something out of that. But the tomatoes is the focus. The tomato plants. Wow. I'm so happy with all this. Look how beautiful. Alright guys, so you got to see the tomato plants, chapter 5. Take you through a quick walkthrough of the garden. You got to see Faith, that is my puppy dog. We love her to death. She's absolutely amazing and the smartest dog I've ever owned. And yeah, so we're doing it. We're living the life. We're out here on the farm, loving it, enjoying every minute that we get. I got my coffee, of course, always got my coffee. Oh, I got some work to do today. Probably do some more staining, depending on the heat. Heat was pretty bad yesterday. We did put an irrigation system in, but unfortunately that irrigation system is not working the way we thought it would. I'm not really happy with it. I'm not happy with the company that sold it to us. I'm gonna try a few things myself first before I tell you if it's a trash or a treasure. Because right now, I'm telling you, it's floating down that river to be trash. You know, and the funny thing is, when you buy this stuff off of Amazon, you expect to get a good product. You think people are being honest. And then you read some reviews, you know, and, you know, always remember this. Amazon always puts all the good reviews at the top. Go right to the bottom and start reading them. They'll tell you. But this company that I bought this from, I'm not going to name names as of yet. But as soon as we test some stuff out, me and my dad, to see if we can get it going right, I'm not going to give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down on it yet. You always have to. There might be a few little tweaks that we have to do, and I'm all right with that. But the one thing I hate is when they're thieves and they take your money and they run. So, wow. All right, guys. Well, you got to see chapter 5, you got to see Faith. You got to see some of the rest of the garden that's going on right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. See, I'm telling you, it really does work. Tomatoes are my passion. I love tomatoes to death. I can't wait. You will see a video of the very first tomato I pull off of every single plant. So stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait. Well, guys, I got a lot of work to do here out on the farm. I'm glad that you took the time in. Thank you to all our new subscribers. We really appreciate you. You guys are just, we're amazed. We really are amazed. We have hit 400 plus subscribers now, which has been great. I hope you like the videos. I know they're not professionally done. I mean, some of these YouTubers out there, they have a company that does it for them, you know, and they can do all that special effects stuff, and we really don't have time, so we try to do the video the best we can. If you would so, tell your friends, your family about us, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification, and hit that bell. That bell is very important because the bell will tell you when our next video is up. So at that point, guys, hit that thumbs up. God bless you. Have a great day. Be safe out there. And as I always say, you do you.